Yeah, they just stocked it with like 2,000 catfish. Stay on, stay on. Come. There we go. That's a fighter right there, boy. Decent little size. Come to. There we go. Oh, little stalker there. Good size. Easy release. Come on, calm down, buddy. There you go. There it is. Yeah, that's a good size one. Off that little maggot larvae. Yeah. Yeah, I had to switch it up because I couldn't find any of the nuggets.
I got plenty of them if you need them.
Yeah, I went to Walmart and got these yesterday and they're still out.
The Walmart on the way out here has got about 5 tags left.
Does it?
Yeah. But I bought 5 this morning. I was like, I don't think I need to buy 10. I didn't know if you were going to come or not, but I showed up.
Oh yeah, I was definitely coming. I just wasn't leaving.